Okay, new territories today. We're playing around with NodeRED. So NodeRED is a way of creating Internet of Things devices which are programmed using these nodes which connect together with wires. In this project I'm using NodeRED with Nexmo's API, and Nexmo is a tool and a platform for creating customer journeys in voice and SMS. So if you've ever had a text message from a company saying that your parcel's going to be delivered today at this time, 9 times out of 10 it's a company such as Nexmo who are handling that information for that company. Nexmo have got some cracking APIs for Python, NodeRED, JavaScript, even Bash from a terminal, which is great. So I'm going to be using it today with NodeRED. And I've also got a Neopixel ring, some LEDs, Neopixels, which are hidden behind this piece of paper here. Because they're very bright when you turn on, they'll swamp the camera. And you can also see my phone. I'm using that SCR-CPY screen copy to have my phone on the screen. And the whole purpose of this project is to control those Neopixels via text message in SMS. So for this I have purchased a phone number, leased a phone number from Nexmo. It's about $1.25 per month, which isn't bad. Current exchange rate's what, about £1 for the UK roughly? It changes so rapidly at the minute. So what happens is, when I send a text message to the number I have leased from Nexmo, I have an HTTP endpoint, he tries to say, to inbound SMS. I'm running on my Raspberry Pi Zero W, which is just at the back of shot, ngrok, which is allowing the Pi to connect to the internet via a tunnel. So through firewalls, that sort of thing. Don't use it on corporate networks. Seriously don't. The network admin will have a screaming fit. So when I send a text message, it goes to that number, the Nexmo API handles it, and it shows the inbound SMS, and it gets printed out to the debug screen, which is here. And you can see I've been testing this quite a lot today. That's to debug, but it also goes to this switch. And this switch has 4 outputs, and it's looking at the text in the payload. If the text contains red, it goes to output 1, green, output 2, blue, 3, and off, 4. So there's output 1 going to red. The message is then changed into something that a Neopixel understands, RGB color codes, in this case red, 255, on, green, off, 0, blue, off, 0. Same for green, we change it so the 255 is in the middle, blue at the end, and off, there you go, all off. I've got a 16 pixel Neopixel ring. I want it to appear as a bar graph, so that means all the LEDs turn on in sequence. Background color normally is 0, foreground color normally is a light red. 40 milliseconds per wipe, and brightness roughly half. That's going to get overridden when I start sending the raw data across in a bit, but that's fine. Right, so it's doing a quick test. I can just see that myself. I haven't turned the camera on for you yet, but let's give it a go. So let's have the lights going on red, and we pray that it works. Red. Let's go green. Let's go blue. Now let's turn them off. This is all via SMS. You can see on the phone there is no data connection whatsoever. Pure SMS to that phone number I've got. Oh yeah, when you turn the screen off, it does that, doesn't it? Hey. So there we have it. SMS controlled Neopixels. I'm going to write this up. It was going to be for a Friday Fun project, but things have happened today that meant I've not been able to do that. Hence this quick video to whet your appetites. I'll get it done when I can, and I'll get it out there. Obviously it's going to be free. If you like it, cool, have a go, play with it yourself and see what you can do. If you want to buy me a coffee, the thing's in the bottom left to say, hey, buy me a coffee. And yeah, have fun with this. Cheers.